Hi everyone, welcome to Beekeeping While Black. I'm Karen, it's spelled with a Y. And today I am here to share a recipe with you all, which is a peach honey sangria. This is a perfect summer, spring type of drink. I know we're towards the end of the season, so I wanted to get some peaches while they're still available to be able to share this recipe with you. Hopefully you'll enjoy it as much as I've been able to enjoy it. We're gonna get started with our ingredients. And so today, of course, the real star, not the wine of the sangria, is the honey. After all, you're on Beekeeping While Black. And so this honey right here is from Ramsey's Real Honey. It is a 3-ounce bottle. The bottle is super cute. And so it is something that I think I'll probably use the whole thing today. They are a Black-owned honey company that is based in Temple Hills, Maryland. And so if you are local to this area, check it out. I will probably be featuring as much as I can honey from different Black beekeepers, and so I'm so excited to be able to feature them today. If you are a Black beekeeper or know someone, please share their products with me. I am so excited to try different recipes with honey products and also other ones. I did not plan properly, so I don't believe I'm using a Black-owned wine company, but if there are Black-owned products that you see, please let me know and I'll be happy to try them when it comes to future recipes. So today, of course, we have our honey for the recipe. We're gonna have seltzer, which will be good to kind of top off the recipe. We have peaches, we have one lemon, we have peach nectar, and then lastly, we have our wine, which any good sangria will have. And so this is a Moscato that we're gonna use for today. And so here are our lovely ingredients. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 ingredients for the recipe. And so let's get started. I'm gonna show you the tools that we need, which is pretty simple. We need a container to put it all in, measuring cup, liquid measuring cup, and we need a solid measuring cup, and then of course we'll just need a knife to be able to chop up our peaches and our lemon. And what I'll do is actually I'm gonna go off camera, and because you don't really need to know how the sausage is made, and I'm gonna chop these up, and then I'm gonna come back with fully chopped up fruit. And so then we're gonna get started with the recipe. A random clip here to signify the passing of time as I prepare the ingredients. Hi everyone, so we are coming back with freshly chopped or sliced ingredients. Let's take a moment to appreciate the artistry, or at least just the basic motor skills that I have. And so we are going to mix this together now. One note to have is that the honey and the seltzer, they are going to be put in after. And so we're going to mix everything together. It really doesn't matter how you decide to do it. I'm going to start by putting 2 sliced peaches in. I'm going to do my lemons, and then I'm going to do the liquids. So I don't think I really need to narrate this part, so you can just watch me as I do this. Okay, and actually, the more I do this, more I'm actually concerned that this is not going to be big enough. So I'm going to leave half the peaches in the bowl, and then I'm going to do about half of the lemon. I do tend to like my drinks to be a bit more on the sweeter end, so I'm probably gonna do the full cup of the nectar juice. However, if you do have a smaller container, feel free to use less of it, but I just prefer my stuff to be on the sweeter end, so I'm gonna do this and then be more conservative in pouring my wine. So it actually fits, so that is a pleasant surprise. So we are going to just take the rest of the ingredients. Let me not forget to do the first iteration of the honey. So we are going to just do the rest. So this is actually perfect for this size container. So if you plan on having multiple people, I would suggest doubling the recipe. This is probably gonna be good enough to serve around maybe 4 servings of small glasses, being more conservative with the count. The last thing that we're gonna do for this phase is to add 1/4 cup honey. And so as we do this, we're gonna do a 1/4, and then we're gonna taste it, and then maybe add another 1/4. So this is just the initial amount, and then you just really do it to the likeness of your sweetness. And so sweetness is the name of the game with this recipe when it comes to honey. Okay, so that's pretty fair. So I'm gonna get a spoon to taste. Okay, so I have 2 spoons, one so that I can actually stir. So fizzy. And then I'm gonna use this to actually taste it. It's good. I think I'm going to keep it at this level of sweetness, so I won't add in a 1/4 cup. However, if you want yours to be sweeter, then definitely add some. I don't think it will hurt it, but I think it's at the level of tartness between the wine and the fruit as I like it. So I think the 1/4 cup is just enough for me. And so what you would do after that is just to refrigerate it. You're gonna keep it for, you can do it overnight. And then once you're actually ready to serve it, then at that point you would pour the seltzer in and then put it over here. I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator and I will come back when I'm ready. Here's our final shot of the sangria with the seltzer. It's a perfect balance of flavor. I think it turned out really well. Thank you so much for watching the video, and let me know what you think of the recipe.